Hi everyone, I'm back with another load of clips. This is part 2 of my Dashcam collection. I hope you enjoy it, folks.
Probably avoiding the bottle that don't exist.
I tried to stop it, but I couldn't. I think the sight was going round me anyway.
It's a shame. It's being used for what it's being used for.
What even is it?
It's council, new council officers. It's where the council is going to be based, not Nottinghamshire County Council.
Oh.
For the whole county, it's going to be based there.
Oh.
What that would have been better for was being a leisure centre.
Yeah.
Or a cinema.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. You know? Speed this price coming out. What an idiot. What an absolute idiot. That's just ridiculous.
Jesus Christ! What's benzene or what? An absolute tool. Flipping idiot or what? Naughty.